The zoo government, the Anambra government cannot believe what happened yesterday. You can't try IPOB and you can't do IPOB. We told them that they are waiting for us to shoot gun, they are waiting for us to go for war. But we tell them that we will fight this war with our ideology. We fight this war with intellectual. We have gone the era of fighting with bullets. It's our wisdom. So, yesterday election in Anambra, some people are still wondering what happened. Many are still thinking if that is real. What you will know is that the restoration of Biafra is a divine mission, is a divine mandate, is an ideology that nobody can stop, Nobody can stop it. And we must continue working for our fatherland. We must continue working for our fatherland, no matter what. Even the security agency that they sent down to Anambra yesterday, it doesn't stop us from doing our work, because we have already made up our mind. That is Biafra or what? Biafra or death. It's Biafra or death. I know they play this game. No be like that they play game. No, if now want play game, you tell say one play game. So what is there is that election has come and gone. We are waiting for the next. What the Zoo media will write. I saw some pictures where they collected some people that are voting in Lagos. It was very, very funny. I said that it's in Anambra election. It was very, very funny, But we are here to counter every of their lies. That's the thing. They can't stop us. They can never stop us. Coach Koiki Abiyama is with us, and we must continue. We must continue. I first of all want to say a very big thank you to our brothers in Anambra, to our people in Anambra, for boycotting the election. I was once watching some of the pictures where people were told to go and vote in Anambra, and I saw their voters' cards being kept on top of some bottles of drinks. Instead of voting in Anambra, they are voting for drinks. That will show you that we are already united. Biafra is what? United, and we are not going back. I can't believe that some people even killed cow for the offense Salah. It's a very encouraging. It gave us much encouragement to continue, because we know that we are the owners of this land. We are the rightful owners of this land, and we cannot run away from our land. Before the coming of the British, we were here. They met us here. When they came, they met us here. They met our fathers here. Out of their deceitful heart, they joined us with Arewa. They joined us with the Oduduwa, and they named us one useless name. They gave us one useless name that doesn't have meaning in my own language. Nigeria as a name does not have any meaning in my own language. So I cannot answer a name that I don't know the meaning. I cannot answer a name that I don't know the meaning. If they know the meaning, they should come and tell us. And up to date, nobody is able to say the meaning of Nigeria. That means it doesn't exist. It does not exist. If you ask a Hausa man, who are you? You tell that he's an Arewa. If you ask Yoruba, who are you? He will tell you that he's Oduduwa. Then why is it that when I say that I'm a Biafran, it will be a problem? I want to go. I don't want to stay again. I don't want to be in a forceful union again with the Hausa and the Yorubas again. Is it a crime? So I just decided to come up live this morning anyway, just to congratulate our people in Anambra, because they did us very proud yesterday. They did us very, very proud yesterday. I know some people will say, this was I'm live this morning. If there's another election going on. There's no election again. There's no election again. They're waiting for the lies that they will concoct. They're waiting for what they will come and tell us. But all of us know that election did not hold in Anambra. All of us know that nothing happened in Anambra yesterday. So we must keep on being resolute. We will continue keeping on until Biafra is restored. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has done much for us. He has sacrificed much for us. He has done what nobody have done in Biafra land. You know, they say that we don't have leader. They say that Igbo enwere eze. And then I laughed. When they say all those things, I laugh because what they are saying doesn't make any meaning, doesn't make any sense to me. Because we don't have king, anyị enwere eze, abụrụ na anyị amara na anyị enwere eze, kanwa na anyị ahụbere onye anyị ga-eso dịka leader. Manko na ghọtara Igbo a na-asụ. It's not that we don't have a king, it's not that we don't have a leader, but one problem we have is that we have not seen a leader that we will trust. We have not seen a leader that will lead us. We have not seen a leader that has that quality to lead Biafrans. You know, we are special people. We are special people. So you can't, when I see people taking themselves, going about saying what is it called, Igbo leaders, Igbo elites, I laugh because those people I don't regard them as leaders. So, but our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has done much for us. Our leader has showed us the ways. That's the way we are following. Some people called us toothless bulldogs. Some people brought army to Anambra, police, navy. I saw 2,000 ABA, all of them coming down to Anambra for the election. But I said to myself, as far as Ashko Kabiama, I said that we should go. We will go. Many has died. We are not better than those that have died in the struggle. Out of my very 4 close friends that I know, 3 of them are gone, you know. So we will not stop halfway. We will continue. We will continue. If they don't give us the referendum, we declare referendum by ourselves. They can't stop us. They can never stop us. Biafra is our religion. Our leader said that we should build a very beautiful temple for our God when Biafra is restored. That will work for 72 good years. No, we have been subjected to so many different things that we Biafra cannot even imagine. Most of us ran out of the country. Most of us are just because people that we are better than that the one that are placed to rule us. Look, I can't imagine Hausa being over me. Some of us that are still here doesn't mean that we don't know what to do. But what is there is that Biafra must come, whether they like it or not, because we are not stopping, and we can never stop. We are not going back. We have never intended to retreat. We have never intended to surrender until total freedom is assured. Biafra is our home. We will not run away from our land. You know, as of 3 days ago, many people were saying, I should not go down to Anambra. Some say they dreamt over me. Many say, this will happen, this will happen. I say, if that will be the end of road, but we bring evidence to show the world that nothing happened here, that we are fed up with this country. If going down to Anambra will be an end of road for me, I must go. People have died. I'm not better than them, you know. So what I'm saying is that we will remain resolute, we will remain fearless, we will remain committed to this struggle. Biafra is already here. Biafra is already here. This is the third time we are experimenting this. One was sit at home. The whole Biafra land closed up. Second one is protest. When we come out to protest, they will kill us. When we come out to protest, they will kill us. When we come out to protest, they will kill us. But when they kill us today, tomorrow we will come out. If they kill us today, tomorrow we are on the street. If you kill 10 of us, 1,000 will come out tomorrow. Now they said if you come out to the street, they will kill us. If they do come out in the street, they will kill us. Then we have another way of sitting at home. And it's working perfectly. Yesterday, so many people spend their money buying drinks, even where you don't know that you see people that will calling you, come and drink, come and drink. You know, that's the unity of what? Biafra. Nankan has united us, and we must continue. So I don't have much to say anyway, because everyone knows self. I go pamcha because we this morning, you know. And we are no, my food is here anyway. Don't mind these people. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. My food is already here anyway. All of them but look at the food, you know, them come to a camera. So on a serious note, we have done it Biafra. We have done it Biafra. We have done it. We are waiting for the next step to follow. Because we will not stop until Biafra is at. We will not stop. We will not stop. So, after one them now we are rolling yesterday. We will not stop. We will continue. Remember, many have died. Many of us are still in prison. Our leader is nowhere. They have kidnapped our leader. They invaded his house. They killed many people there. They destroyed the houses. They took away our leader. Many of our brothers are still in prison. We cannot abandon this struggle anymore. We have gone too far to go back. We have gone too far to go back. You know? So we will continue. I thank everybody that participated in yesterday's election, boycotting of the election. You know, anywhere our leader, even if our leader, anywhere he is, even if he's dead, he will be happy for us. Our children to come will be happy for us. Our generation must be happy for us because we have done what people never imagined that we would do. You know, I've just seen the unification of the Biafrans, and I know that we're not going back. So I'm just here. People say, Blaze, they have not, you know. I just want to just show my face anyway today. So, for me to thank my Biafran people, for me to thank my Biafran brothers and sisters, because they have done a lot of work. If people did not boycott the election, all our coverage yesterday is in vain. Because when you come out and see people that came out to vote, you will not snap any picture, you will not cover anything. But because we did not see anybody there, that's why we covered it, so that the world will see. What we did yesterday we just did that. Our leader always says that we are saying things the way it is. We are showing the world things the way it is. So let me not take much of your time, because some people never go church. I go church today. I go to church. I'm not going anywhere. Okay. Desmond share this year I'm not a church. Simon Simon anya n'ugo ha ma m ya ibi ị na-rush ka ị gaa chọọchị. So James ọ dị ka ị na-agakwa chọọchị ka mara amanụ ọbịa n'uju igwe. You will go to church, so let me allow you people to go to church now. On Nazienu, if I go back to my base, because I traveled down to Anambra to cover the event, you know. So if I go back to my base, I will still communicate to Biafrans anyway. Meanwhile, let me go. Let me eat first. You know, so I hail all the Biafrans. I hail our courage. It's good to be good. It's good to know what you want to do. It's good to do what you want to do. It's good to follow your heart. We have made it. We have shown the world that all we want is Biafra and nothing more. So, one day when Amaka, Udebunam, ahụrụ m ofe sara gị yesterday. Ọ dị ya eziokwu ebe nnọdụ na-akọva ihe na-eme na Biafra land yesterday. Ọ dịgodi iwu my brother. Ọ dịgodi iwu ka ọ hapụgodi kamera bịa join ya gị na ofe nsara ahụ. So ofe 18th November every year ahụgo na ofe nsara day. Enwere ike that day aga ama ezikwa election day. I'm always open to ofe nsara because I did not eat yesterday. Due to where I was covering some things, you know. I did not eat yesterday. So, but nevertheless, if all of us really ofe nsara yesterday, and when I get in this and when I get in the world, their friends will not know what happened, you know. So all of us will not eat ofe nsara yesterday. But in a subsequent 18th November, Ghana Abekwa, I think they really ofe nsara. But many people invite you to go. So they really ofe nsara yesterday. For the chef from yesterday, oh this morning, for the same Blaze Alpha, say go. You reach a go ofe nsara yesterday now. Let's send the picture. But I go. Now, you send the picture. On where I made DP. On where I tie na WhatsApp or continue na Facebook. But all the rest, I'm very happy for our Biafran people. I'm very happy for everybody. I love you all, you know, because without you people, we will not be here. Without you people, our leader will not be here. Our leader is working hard for our own good. He's working hard for our own good, you know. All of us has a work to do. Monday serious offense Salah yesterday. And this serious is a work to do. This serious is a work to do. Ndị Ukraine is a work to do. Ndị kpọrọ mmanya yesterday is a work to do. Ya nwere ebe nwechara egbuchara efi. Nsị, hey, ihe nke a dị etu ọ Biafra bịazie, what will happen? Egburu efi n'ofe nsala. Biafra bịazie asa anyị na anyị enwere n'onwe anyị na anyị anọrọla n'ụwa na etu a mama enweghị ego ọ bụrụla arụsị nga bie ya ebie abụga mbụrụ mọnụ ọ bụkwa na arụsị o mechaa nwere nwanyị kwụwa ịghọtago ọ ga-abụgodi cow ka m ga-egbu mgbuo ọnụ chicken ịghọtago. So every 18th of November with the offense Salah. Offense I get in a word of Guinness, so Biafra is making history. We are making history over the world. We are making history over the world. The world can never imagine this type of people. They can never imagine it. You know? They can never imagine the unification of these people. You know? So adọkwa na Google na enwere ike ịga searchkwa Google na ịnụ na ịtaịpụ ile akara taịpụ 18th November edere gị ofe nsala. Ọ dịkwa ka igwe batrị okwu m anụnwa. Ọ dịkwa ka igwe akwụ anyụbala ka ntinyetụgodi ya mara ka afọ so ọkwụwaga anwụrụ my brother. Ife ihe nji vidio ihe ọkwụwala anwụrụ ọtago ọnyụwago. So but we will continue. I thank everybody. I thank our leader, IPOB leader, our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. onye sị na eburo supreme leader ya ga-ama isi na wọọlụ ọmapụta ọbara ịghọtago onye sị na eburo supreme leader onye sị na ọ bụrụ gị bụ eze ndị Igbo hapụ ihe a nna ya nwodo na-eme hapụ dị ka nwunye ka aghara m ikwu ka aghara ịsịkwa na Blaze ekwuola ịghọtala. But our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is a prophet, is a leader, is a supreme leader maka oyibo bịara abịa. So enweghị m ihe ma m ga-eji wee kwalify nwoke ahụ. Ọ dị egwu obugo ndị zoo anwụọla pee ebe ndị a pụtara akpara ha no election. Save ego gị save ego iji eme campaign. When Biafra comes, you come and campaign. Anyị vote ore gị nyekwazie gị condition maka na enweghị ihe dịka looting lolu oyibo enweghị ihe dịka looting na Biafra land. Ụmụ Chineke ga-achị anyị esi na ị ga-achị anyị etu ndị isi anyị ga-esi debe ọnọdụ ọchịchị anyị na enwerekwa ihe dịka nke ya na-akpụ ya ọkwa escort elele mmadụ eburu moto wọtụrụ over 30 million. Ọ ka 30 million o buru ịtọ si ya n'anya ịghọtago. Ụmụ ya nọrọ obodo oyibo na their children ka mgbago na English maka people that are watching that don't understand the language that I'm speaking, you will see some of our governors, they will be on convoy with motors that are worth over 30 million, 18 million. They will be like 5, they will be like 10, they will be like 18, 20 in a convoy with that small power bike, They will be moving around Biafra and making noise. Their children are outside the country. They are giving us strike. We are never about strike. So what I'm trying to say is that we told them, reserve your money. When Biafra comes, we will vote for you. And we will give you conditions, because what you know that now Biafra are wise. Biafra are wiser than anything now. We are very, very intelligent now. So you can't come and tell us anything and we listen to you. Makana Biafra bụ obodo nsọ. So my brothers, phone onye ga nsogbu anyway, but I will drop now. Maka ọ dịka battery anyị go power bank ma ọ bụ onye ukwu ole ọ kono finya anyị na-asọfa. Phone anyụọla, power bank anyụọla. Okay, mala obodo a nwụrụ anwụ. Phone don off, power bank don off. Fuel adịrọ la ka na akpụ ya la generator. So ọkụ adịrọ. So I will be dropping here. You can call them a pim more and happy power bank. Can use here with kuku, but it doesn't work. Power bank can you go? So my brother, I thank you all today. Everybody that participated in this program that was scheduled by IPOB. I thank everybody. I thank our leaders. They are piloting this affair very well. And by special grace of God, Biafra will be restored. To those of our brothers that have died for this struggle, to all my friends that have died, in anything I say, any what I say, I always tell them to rest in peace. I will restore Biafra for them. They are our heroes. They are our heroes. So, for now. I thank every Biafran. I thank our leader. I thank everybody that participated. Biafra must be restored. From me, from here, bye bye.